Hey dolls, I'm back at it again. Let's do this. Oh, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I got my Ipsy. So I am running a little late on my Ipsy. I did get it in the mail yesterday, but I didn't have time to stop at the mailbox. So, and I saved the packaging to this time today. Let's open it. Let's reveal. Oh, gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Becky, look at her bag. Yes. Okay. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It's so summer. It's so me. It's so yay. Let's see what's in it. So I haven't even opened it, guys. Y'all are opening it with me. We're doing this. Oh, look at the L. Just take the L. Okay. Let's do it. Oh, righty. Bam. First thing we got here is a mini highlighter. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, girl, watch out. Yes. Okay. Looking real cute. Shimmy, shimmy all day long. It has a little cover on top so it doesn't get messy. But look at that, honey. Oh. Shimmy, shimmy all day long. You can see it better with that on there. There he goes. Yes. Okay. That is cute. Oh, and it's magnetized, so it stays closed. It doesn't pop open like crazy in your makeup bag. I like it. Didn't even show you the inside. Oh! Okay, moving on. Moving on. Don't pay attention to my pimple. All right. Ooh, they're getting very cute with these baggies. Not baggies, boxes. Yes. Oh, ta-da. So that's cute. This is an eyeshadow. Oh my. Game night. Hello. Yes. Look at that. Definitely gonna try this on later. Aww. Video waiting to happen, honeys. Video waiting to happen. Yes. Look at the cube. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Sugar kitten. Cha. Okay. Ooh, look at that little smiley face on there. Cutesy pootsy. Okay. Can't get it open. Struggling. What is this? Ah! Another peel-off mask. We're going to have to be doing Monday mask or something, honey, because we are getting too many. It's too cute. Winking at you. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, gosh. That doesn't have a seal. Almost drizzled some. So it is green and gonna spill. I wonder how this is gonna work out. Kind of runny. Smells good though. Smells like soap. It's a hydrating peel-off mask. We shall see how hydrating you really are when we try you on Monday. Okay, next up, let's see. Oh, yes. What is this? Butter Wash Body Polish. Okay, we're going to be polishing something in here. Watch out. Let's see. I wonder if it has a seal on it. Definitely has a seal. Let's pop it off. Ooh, that smells delish. Like a butter shear smell. Oops, drop that. Yes, it smells really good. I'm definitely going to use this in the shower. Not recording, but going to use it. I'll give you a review on it. Last but not least, honeys. Oh, look at you. Okay, nail polish. Oh, double wham. So it's in another seal. Blue will work out great for my job. Look at that. Read it and weep. Oh, yes, honey. We are going to do a review on this as well. We're going to watch me put it on my nails because I don't got nothing. They look hideous. Don't look at them for too long. So, last and foremost, you're welcome card. Welcome to the block party is what it says. Oh, yes, honey. This is a block party in my bag. So it just gives you a little review over your products that they sent you. Your 5 things for the month. And honey, I am happy with it. This is the bag. It is empty. It says Tetris and Ipsy. That's what the L's for. Look at that. Tetris. That's cute. I love Tetris. Honey, if you didn't get yourself a bag, you need to get you one next month because they are definitely worth it. $10 a month. Oh, can't say it any better. They do give you samples of everything. They're small, but worth it, you know, because you get one every month, so don't miss out. I'll be opening another one next month, honey. Okay. Thanks for tuning in, ladies. Enjoy your night. I did just get off work. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Good, the bad, and the ugly. All comments are accepted. Everything is a live and learn. Thank you, girls. Have a good night.